Hey guys, Sydney here. So adding music is a great way to set the tone or vibe of your video. The trick is to not let the music drown out your own audio. You want your voice to stand out over the music. And the way to achieve this is to use a neat little feature called auto ducking. Here's how you do it. Up in the top, click on the audio tab, and here you're going to assign what's dialogue and what's music. So highlight all your dialogue clips, go to the Essential Sound panel and click Dialogue. So now all your dialogue is assigned. You can make adjustments if you want, but we'll just leave it there for example. Now we do the same thing for the music. Click on the music in the timeline, go to the Essential Sound panel, and click on the music tag to assign this music file as music. Now go back to the Essential Sound panel, click this box over here so that you can enable ducking, click Generate Keyframes, wait a little bit, and now Premiere Pro has automatically assigned keyframes for whenever there is dialogue and for whenever there is not. And now you see in the timeline in the segments where I'm talking, the volume is lower, and in the sections where I am not talking, the volume has increased. This is called auto ducking, and it's a pretty awesome feature in Premiere Pro. Well, that's it for this video. Hopefully this tip helps make your audio sound better. Also, make sure to watch the other videos in this series to help you better edit your videos.